In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot WhatsApp integration. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth and easy as possible. First, you'll want to go to the HubSpot website. If you haven't already visited the site before, it's a breeze to find. Just type HubSpot into your browser and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the login button. Give that a click. Now that you're ready to sign in, HubSpot offers a handy feature where you can sign in with Google. This is generally the most straightforward option, especially if you're someone who likes to keep all their digital ducks in a row with Google accounts. Choose your Google account and you should be logged into HubSpot just like that. Next up, shift your attention back to the top right corner of the HubSpot interface. You'll notice an option for Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that. Within the Marketplace, you'll see a section labeled Apps. That's where we want to be, so click on that. Once you're in the Apps section, type the word WhatsApp into the search bar. We're on the hunt for a specific app, the WhatsApp integration for Teams by Timelines AI. When you spot it in the results, click on it. Here comes an important part, installing the app. You'll see an Install App button and simply click it to get started. At this point, you'll need to choose your specific HubSpot account to connect. Look for the Choose Account button and click it. An agreement or terms of use will likely pop up. Make sure to agree to the terms to authorize the integration. The next step involves connecting the app, so look for the Connect App button and click on it. With that done, you'll need to sign in to Timelines AI. Once again, using your Google account is probably the easiest and fastest option. After you've signed into Timelines, find and click on WhatsApp accounts from the left panel. This is where you'll connect your WhatsApp account, so click on Connect WhatsApp Account. A prompt will lead you to generate a QR code. Grab your phone and use WhatsApp to scan this QR code to link your device. Once your device is linked, move over to the Integrations tab from the left panel and find HubSpot. You'll need to connect your WhatsApp to HubSpot from here. Go back to HubSpot, and from the left panel, navigate to CRM, then to Contacts. Find your integration profile, scroll down the right panel to the bottom, and click on Chat with the contact. Congratulations! You have now successfully connected your WhatsApp to HubSpot. This integration will enhance your productivity and streamline communication with your contacts, all directly through HubSpot. You're all set to make the most of this powerful integration.